Look, Amaka, I am sorry for what happened. You see, this is the reason why I told you. Leave the prince and come to me. Look, you know how much I love you. Why are you doing this to me? Please.
Oga Sonny, please, please. I am not in the mood for this talk. I am still in pains. We cannot be together. Even if I decide to leave the prince, we cannot be together. My friend is desperate to have you in her life. So please, leave me alone.
Well, if you say so. But look, why don't you just try and give me a chance now, please?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.